Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. This is the rest of episode number 1. To watch all the other episodes, just check out the playlist link in the description down here.
Actually, do you have any peaches? I'd love to get a few if they're in season.
Note guys, fruit in season literally refers to ripe and harvested fruits that are at their best in terms of taste, freshness and availability during a specific time of the year. Yes, we have some delicious peaches in season right now. They are very juicy and flavorful. How much do I weigh out?
I'll take 2 pounds, please. How much are they?
They are $2.50 per pound.
Sounds good. Can you bag them all up for me, please?
Sure thing, that will be $20.80 in total. Would you like to pay in cash or with a card?
No, I don't have any cash on me. I'll pay with my credit card.
Alright, here's the card reader. Insert your card into the machine and enter your PIN number. Or you may sometimes hear, swipe your card here and enter your PIN number, please.
All done. Can I have my payment receipt, please?
Sure, here's your payment receipt. There you are.
Thank you, sir.
No problem at all. Thank you for shopping with us.